Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Lineco Book Repair is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to preserve their cherished books, documents, or even family heirlooms, offering a reliable and professional solution to common wear and tear, ensuring your valuable items remain intact and readable for generations to come without compromising their aesthetic appeal or historical integrity, making it a must-have for collectors, librarians, and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Lineco Neutral pH Adhesive 8 ounces. Discover the Lineco Neutral pH Adhesive. This 8-ounce bottle offers an acid-free, all-purpose solution for all your creative and repair needs. It's designed to protect your valuable projects. Once applied, it dries completely clear, ensuring a professional finish every time. Plus, it remains flexible, preventing cracking or brittleness over time. This easy-to-use formula sets quickly, saving you time on your projects. For added convenience, it can even be re-moistened with water if needed. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from bookbinding and repairs to framing and collages. You can also use it for various paper art and craft projects. This adhesive securely bonds to most porous surfaces, providing a strong and lasting hold. Trust it to keep your creations intact. With its neutral pH, this glue helps preserve the integrity of your materials. It ensures your cherished items remain in excellent condition for years to come. For best results, use it in temperatures between 60-80 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to avoid freezing and direct sunlight to maintain its quality and performance. What we like. This all-purpose glue is perfect for a wide range of creative projects. Its acid-free, neutral pH formula ensures your work lasts and remains flexible. If you're looking for a versatile, flexible adhesive for bookbinding, collages, or crafts, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 4. Lineco Self-Adhesive Linen Hinging Tape. Introducing the Lineco Self-Adhesive Linen Hinging Tape. It comes in a convenient 1.25-inch by 35 feet roll, perfect for various projects. This linen tape is completely acid-free, ensuring the long-term preservation of your valuable items. Its neutral pH acrylic adhesive provides a secure bond without causing damage. It is specifically designed for hinging paper artwork in frames. You can trust it to securely mount your pieces while maintaining their integrity. Forget messy glues and complicated tools. This tape is self-adhesive, making application incredibly simple and clean. It will make fast work of any crafting project you undertake. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with this versatile and reliable tape. What we like. This self-adhesive linen tape makes hinging artwork incredibly simple and quick. Its acid-free nature protects your valuable pieces over time. If you need a fast, reliable, and archival solution for hinging paper artwork, this tape is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Books by Hand pH Neutral PVA Adhesive. Discover the perfect adhesive for your creative projects. This pH-neutral PVA glue is designed for bookbinding and paper crafts, offering superior performance. It boasts excellent lay-flat properties, ensuring your work stays pristine. Plus, it dries completely clear, leaving no unsightly residue. Crafted with archival quality, it ensures your creations will last for centuries. This adhesive provides long-lasting materials for all your treasured projects. This professional quality adhesive is incredibly easy to use. While wet, it's water-soluble, allowing you to thin it for extended drying times if needed. It's ideal for a wide range of bookbinding and paper projects. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, you'll find it indispensable. For best results, store it away from freezing temperatures and direct sunlight. It performs optimally when used between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This archival quality adhesive ensures your bookbinding and paper projects will endure for centuries. It offers excellent lay-flat properties for a professional finish. If you prioritize long-term preservation and appreciate the flexibility to adjust drying time, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Lineco Infinity 0.625 Clear Acid-Free Archival Photo Corners. Introducing the perfect solution for protecting your cherished photos and artwork. These clear, acid-free corners ensure your precious memories last a lifetime. Crafted from high-quality archival material, this product is proudly created and made in the USA. You can trust its superior standards for long-term preservation. Its corners feature a special non-yellowing acrylic adhesive. This ensures that your mounts remain clear and won't degrade over time, keeping your displays pristine. Mounting your pictures and artwork has never been easier. With these self-adhesive corners, you can instantly secure your items without any hassle. These mount corners are designed to be strong and reliable, providing a firm hold for all your pictures. Display your creations with confidence, knowing they are securely in place. Each corner offers a standard 0.625-inch view, perfect for various applications. This convenient pack contains 500 pieces, providing ample supply for all your projects. What we like. These archival photo corners provide a safe, non-yellowing way to mount your precious pictures. Their self-adhesive design makes mounting instant and effortless. If you want to display photos or artwork without damage and with strong, reliable hold, these corners are perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points for decision-making. Number 1. Lineco 4-inch archival mounting strips. Are you looking for a safe and reliable way to mount your precious photos and artwork? These strips provide a sturdy, conservation-quality solution for all your framing needs. Crafted from high-quality archival polyester and acid-free paper, they ensure your pieces are protected for years to come. Their robust construction makes them both sturdy and safe. With these innovative strips, no adhesive ever touches your valuable artwork. Your prints are gently cradled by inert archival polyester, keeping them pristine and ready for display. Designed for simplicity, they are incredibly easy to apply. Just bond the clear polyester to your mat, and you're ready to mount your art effortlessly. These strips offer a safe, hingeless method for mounting your artwork to mats. This ensures a clean presentation without any damage or residue. Perfect for framing photos, artwork, crafts, and DIY projects. They provide a professional and secure mount every time. What we like. These high-quality mounting strips ensure no adhesive ever touches your valuable artwork, cradling it safely in archival polyester. They provide a sturdy, hingeless mounting solution for framing. If you are a serious conservator or simply want the safest, most professional way to mount artwork without hinges, these strips are unmatched. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points for decision-making can be extracted from the empty input. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.